Hello everyone, it's Ed again from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We're looking today at our 2016 Chrysler 200S Sedan. It's a V6 200S all-wheel drive. The 200S is the luxury sport edition for the 200. And you see we have this 2016 and a 2015 in the background there. It's also a V6 all-wheel drive. This one has 100,100 miles, Pentastar V6 engine with great gas mileage and a great reputation. Gets about 28 on the highway. So you pan around the car, you see it has a nice black pinstripe, 18-inch factory black painted wheels, very, very nice. And the driver's side is very clean. It's an all-wheel drive. It's the 200S. And the trunk is spacious. It's got dual chrome exhaust. Very clean with a certified CARFAX history. Clean title. We had it for $17,500. It is one of our specials now at $16,866. I'd like to mention the book value on the car is much higher. It's about $18,000. The interior is extremely elegant with blue and black two-tone leather trim. Really nice, and rear heat and air vents. Then you have the passive entry system. A nice 10-way power driver's seat with the power lumbar. 101,000 miles. Steering column controls for Bluetooth, trip and vehicle settings, and cruise. It has the touchscreen radio. Climate controls for compass. Climate controls with heated seats, heated steering column. And it also has the rear backup camera with lane guidance. There's your radio, there's your compass that I was talking about, or we're trying to talk about. Oh, I guess we gotta put, oh, it's searching for paired devices. I can't show you the compass right now, but I will show you that it has, again, that blue and black elegant trim. The passenger seat has multi-adjustments and is in power. And if you look at the dashboard, blue and black. But look at the ambient lighting, which is blue on the dashboard. Really elegant. And again, has access to Sirius satellite. These are just the other settings you have. So we'd invite you to come by and take a look. It's one of our specials now. It's $16,866. And you can view more details at mrcsautomart.com or call me directly at 708-473-2014. Thanks.